Aujourd'hui, on est dans la Man Cave chez Yakiniku, un endroit exceptionnel. On va vous réaliser 3 recettes de barbecue végétarien, mais surtout, on va s'imprégner de cette ambiance tout à fait particulière, de ce lieu entre le côté industriel et aux inspirations un peu japonaises. Et vous allez voir, ça vaut vraiment le détour. Ce lieu est juste incroyable. Il y a une déco qui est juste fabuleuse, et bien sûr, des Kamados et des Shichirin. Vous vous souvenez dans la vidéo sur la Barbecue Expo en Italie, je vous mets le lien d'ailleurs ici, je vous avais présenté un hibachi, mais un hibachi bien particulier, qu'on qualifierait plutôt de modèle pro. On va réaliser les 3 recettes sur ce modèle. Sa particularité, c'est qu'il a un tirage complet sur l'entièreté du dessous de l'hibachi, et donc forcément un tirage plus puissant et beaucoup plus continu que sur les autres modèles. On va vous montrer ses fonctionnalités en utilisation sur différents accessoires, que ça soit la plancha en mode teppanyaki, des brochettes, la grille bien sûr, et aussi panier pour venir griller un petit peu des légumes. On va notamment twister quelques champignons avec ça. Hi, George.
Hi.
Good?
Super.
What do you prepare today?
So right now I will prepare a new skewer for the yakiniku. It's marinated tuna, spring onions and mango. So perfect match. Fruitness, sweetness, a little bit more spicy, salty, perfect match. Yeah.
And the other dish?
And the other dishes are, so of course vegetarian, it's pinwheels.
Yeah.
Pinwheels made of kidney beans, a little bit this Greek style, with feta cheese in it. So these are the pinwheels, and then we made the papaya mayonnaise. Mm-hmm. So for fruitness, for sweetness, and the third was papaya salsa, prepared with coffee grounds, so a little bit more power in it. This is the perfect match. And the third one is the typical chicken. So we make a chicken breast, sliced chicken breast.
Tsukune.
Tsukune.
Yes.
Okay, right, but our way.
Yeah.
So with the filling of Gouda, good Gouda. We're in the Netherlands for sure.
Yeah.
And maybe something outside, like, I don't know, beetroots.
You're trying. And everything's okay.
Wait.
Let's go to the Shichirin.
Stepping on this beat, 2 shoes, new sneakers. Squeaking on the court, cause I know you in the bleachers. Hiding, I'm a seeker, a true love tweaker. Like I think I recognize the same car, new features. Never needed backup, so why you got your back up off the wall, baby, let me see your back jump. The speakers in the back thump, so hard it's like a Mack truck. Just hit you from the side, spit that fire till you get wrapped up. Look so fine, got me wishing there were 2 of you. It's alright, the attention's nothing new to you. Text me like you know just what I could do to you. So why you trying to ghost and do the most? Now baby, who are you?
I need you by my side so I can let go, let go. Cause every time you're gone I feel your echo, echo. I need you by my side so I can let go, let go. Cause every time you're gone I feel your echo, echo. I feel it, echo, echo, echo. I feel your echo, echo,
No?
echo. I feel it, echo, echo, echo. I feel your echo, 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 yeah.
Verse 2 is even colder than the first. Shaking, wearing 4 jackets like it's only getting worse. Said you're here to lift me up, but pull me down until it hurts. Now the future's looking crazy, I can't put it in reverse. Damn, damn. Thoughts of us still got me up nights. Thought I could fix it, getting lifted in the spotlights. It's like no time has passed at all, cause still it's on sight. Every time we're back together, break up from that tour life. Your life is only getting sweeter, huh? Your light is never getting weaker, nah. Play nice, I'm really trying to keep your ears stressing. Guess I never learned my lesson, you're my teacher, huh?